Step into Neo DASHCAM, where the calm of the highway can flip into pure adrenaline in a split second. Hit subscribe, keep your hands on the wheel, and enjoy the ride.
Harsh event detected.
Guess someone just tested the airborne package. No upgrade required. That gap wasn't an invitation. Lucky day this time.
At Victoria University at this moment.
Two drivers raced to the finish and ended up arriving at the same time. Who do you think is responsible in this situation? Share your thoughts below. A quick safety check before hitting the road can prevent more than just damage. It can prevent disaster. Speeding through the intersection. A bold move, but at the wrong time. Road rage isn't a sport, but some folks are really out here training for the wrong Olympics. This is pure instant karma compilation. One reckless move, and the road had the final say.
Oh shit! Oh!
Harsh event detected. Crash detected.
Giving up a second can save you weeks of headaches later. Speed feels exciting until reality takes over. Slowing down would have made the ride a lot smoother. Speed without control always leads somewhere unexpected. Slowing down is the safest investment on the road. Testing the pickup's strength wasn't on the to-do list, but the result is pretty clear now. Looks like this is the shortcut version of the driveway mine, but the homeowner definitely isn't thrilled about it.
Oh my God!
Patience always costs less than repair bills, and sometimes it even buys you a safer journey. A brief moment of recklessness at the intersection can rewrite the entire script of the day. Sometimes, just one impulsive choice is enough to turn an ordinary drive into an unforgettable experience. Almost scored a front row ticket to a risky moment, but she dodged it just in time. A single moment of carelessness can lead to lasting consequences, but staying focused will always help you reach your destination safely. That performance was more intense than the final stretch at the Daytona 500, and the streetlight didn't stand a chance. Another full renovation service nobody signed up for. A single misjudgment turned the whole situation into an unpredictable scenario. Full throttle, zero plan. And now the repair shop's getting a bonus. One miscalculation at speed, and metal always pays the price first. That's one gravity test the car didn't exactly volunteer for.
Oh my God!
The road is never in a hurry, only drivers are. Slowing down today can save you tomorrow. An underground shortcut nobody wanted to experience, leaving behind nothing but tense moments and unforgettable memories for everyone involved. Chasing speed only to end up joining the Unexpected Expenses Club. Do you think that burst of acceleration was worth it? The free 360-degree spin just got unlocked. The landing, however, isn't included in the package. That spin looked like a scene straight out of an action movie, except nobody's buying tickets for this one. That shortcut across the road just turned into an unexpected detour. Looks like someone just found out the fast lane comes with premium consequences. From a smooth ride to instant trouble. No one expected that twist.
Whoa!
When pride takes the wheel, nobody wins. Sometimes giving way is the smartest move. Keeping a safe distance is cheaper than replacing bumpers. Patience always pays off. Right of way means nothing if nobody gives it. Sometimes slowing down saves more than time. That's one tow service nobody signed up for.
Essa é essa, mano? Caralho, mano. Cê é louco.
Whoa! That came out of nowhere. 1 second you're driving, the next you're dodging steel beams. That driver thought he was starring in Fast and Furious, but forgot there's no stunt team in real life. Even Hollywood wouldn't shoot this scene. Another dashcam car crashes caught on camera. Looks like someone just made it to the highlight reel. That hit echoed louder than a touchdown cheer at a late-night football game. A brief lapse at high speed can send everything spiraling out of control. A sudden slip in a cloud of dust, the dashcam captured everything. Just one careless decision can lead to lasting consequences.
Whoa, look at that. Oh,
Oh, you fucking idiot!
That impact silenced everything for a few seconds, more tense than any concert could ever be. Today's road special came with an unexpected bumper exchange program. Trying to squeeze past a bus on such a narrow road, they probably just had a moment that made their hearts race a little faster. Someone's brake test just turned into an expensive lesson. Free spin class activated. Too bad there's no membership discount. On the road, patience always pays bigger dividends than pride. That exit was faster than a quarterback sprinting for a touchdown, but this game doesn't end well. That turn just got a little too close for comfort. The curb definitely felt it. Patience on the road isn't just polite, it's protection. Driving at night really brings out the I own the road crowd. Turns out the road disagrees. One small mistake, and life takes a sharp turn. Staying alert keeps everyone safer. Big engines don't win every battle. Respecting space keeps everyone's day a lot smoother. A friendly greeting on the road. Nothing makes a stronger impression than exchanging bumpers. That's one way to say goodnight, though the bumper might disagree. When the road turns into a slip and slide, nobody's having fun anymore. Everything changed in an instant. The DASHCAM captured a moment no one ever wants to experience. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss more incredible moments. That move took a detour faster than a lost tourist in Times Square.
You should be nervous because it'll help you move faster. I used to use Custom Auto's expression. Custom Auto is a great thing to tow Mike Tyson.
Years like a fire.
Congratulations, you've just
They can
unlocked the
cook your
Park
food,
Where You
they can
Please
control it,
achievement,
or it could burn
bumper
your
not
house
included.
down. And that's what it's like. It's like that, but the intelligent people are the ones that are aware of it.
When visibility drops, even small mistakes turn big in seconds. Stay alert, stay safe. A freestyle performance the driver never saw coming. Two directions, one meeting, and neither plan to exchange bumpers today. One well-timed brake can prevent an entire chain of problems ahead. Sometimes, giving way means protecting yourself. Speed only matters when you're in control. Lose it, and the consequences take over. That turn came with an unplanned bonus round, and nobody wanted to play. Rain check denied. The road just sent its own slippery reminder. An uninvited guest just showed up, making the parked car the unexpected center of attention. Respecting space on the road saves more than just bumpers. It saves peace of mind, too. That moment had more tension than a buzzer beater shot in the National Basketball Association Finals.
Neo DashCam signs off here, but your safe journey continues every time you hit the road. Subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment to keep spreading the message of safe driving.